Hey y'all, it's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today where I've been waiting on you. I'm gonna make you something. It's gonna be quick, easy, simple, and delicious. Do you like this? What would you do to get this on your table? Well, honey, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's see how this is done. I have here about 2 to 2.5 pounds of just snap beans, green beans. And I'm gonna get them up under some water and I'm gonna just wash them off under some lukewarm water. So I'm gonna wash them about 2 times and rinse them off. And then I'm gonna dry them. And I'm gonna get them here on my little plastic cutting board. And I'm gonna begin here what the old ladies call tipping and tailing. Yeah, tipping and tailing. They have a tip and they have a tail, a top and a bottom, and we want to cut both of those off. And so some of the ladies, they would take their hands and just snap these off. And sometimes I do that depending on what my preparation is going to be, but how I'm going to serve them. But here I want them to have a uniform look, and I want them to be more elegant looking. And so I'm using a knife and I'm just cutting off the tip and I'm turning around and cutting off the tail. You can do one, you can do 2 or 3 at a time. You know, depends on how many I have to do. But I like this look. And I am going to tip and tail mine, honey. Let me know in the comments whether you all tip and tail yours too. I've got this pan waiting, and in the pan I'm putting some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna get my beans ready to go into the oil when the oil gets hot. Yeah, it is now. And while you weren't looking, I put in 1 tablespoon of butter. Just 1, because I like that flavor combination. I like the way that the butter and the olive oil taste together. Here I'm putting in just the store-bought minced garlic. Now, I would prefer to have had fresh garlic, but I didn't have any fresh garlic, so I had to use the store-bought kind. But that's okay. It's going to work out just fine. And I'm getting on some kosher salt. Now I'm coming back with some more garlic. You say more garlic? Yeah, more garlic. These were called garlicky green beans. Now, if you don't like this much garlic, you like less garlic, then you still make these beans. You put in less garlic and you call them less garlic green beans. If you want no garlic, then you still make these green beans and you put in no garlic green beans. That's what you call yours. But don't you miss out on these green beans because they're good. Now, I'm putting in some fresh cracked black pepper. That's gonna make it even better, honey. Ooh, and these are smelling good already. But it's gonna smell even better when I add my next ingredient. And don't you leave this ingredient. Don't change it up. Don't leave this ingredient out. This is gonna make these beans pop. Here we go. Some lemon juice. About half of a lemon. You wanna squeeze that into your green beans. It's gonna give them a light, fresh, just fresh out of the garden kind of taste, and it's going to make them it's going to illuminate them. They're just going to be so bright and delicious. So don't you leave that out. Now, if you don't have fresh lemon in, I don't know what would happen if you use the bottled stuff. Try it and see what happens. See how you like it. But try to make sure you put in the fresh lemon juice. It will make all the difference in the world. So I'm just going to go on and continue to saute these. It doesn't take, I'd say your entire cook time should be about 8 and no more than 10 minutes on these beans. So I'm going to be taking them up in just a minute. I've just turned them off. Let me get my bowl. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh my God, it smells so good, looks so good. Oh dear Lord, this is... I've got these. I'm going to serve them with some deluxe mashed potatoes, which I've already made. I put a link to them right up in the top, that little white button. Hit that button, and it'll take you straight to the mashed potatoes, and they are deluxe. Now, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I don't know what is more pretty, the beans or the bowl. Now, this bowl is my mother's bowl. It is 90 years old. Not a scratch, not a chip on it, so I don't use it often, but I get it out, honey, to show y'all guys. When I get ready to serve food, sometimes I serve it to you guys in this 90-year-old bowl, honey. But I love the bowl, but I think I want to get right onto the green beans. Oh, they are so good. They smell so good. Look at that, honey. You could serve that at any kind of occasion. I don't care if it was just a family reunion or if it was a special occasion like a wedding reception or something like that. These beans are so beautiful. Yeah, get a couple of looks, honey. Yeah. Y'all make this at home. Make this for your family. You're going to do very little work, but you're going to come out, baby, looking like a kitchen rock star, baby. I thank you all for coming by. I love you guys, and I appreciate you. I thank you for coming by, checking on me today, because you wanted to know what I was cooking, and you knew I would be throwing down. Now, I hope that I did not disappoint. If you like my channel, please hit the red subscribe button. Right along with that, hit that notification bell until you see the parentheses, because that way you'll know every time I put up a new video, they'll notify you. And then I want you to give me some big thumbs ups, honey. Big old thumbs up. That will help me right along. I want you to also share my videos wherever you're active on social media. I want you to leave me some comments because I love hearing from you. I love interacting with you. I answer as many of them as I can. If you make my recipe and you take a picture, upload it onto Facebook. Let me see how yours turned out. I'm on all the social media platforms, on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, honey. I'm Twitter. I am everywhere. Meso Making It is the name. Come by and support me and show me some love. I really would appreciate it. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to take care of yourself and love yourself. When you do that, you'll be able to love somebody else. Show somebody you love them by sharing your food, honey.